Our factory is looking for foreign wholesalers and distributors of 2-in-1 stick vacuum cleaners. Please watch the following completed production video. Vacuum motor manufacturing. Plastic injection. Vacuum cleaner head assembly. ABS dust tubes. 100% visual inspection. Washable header. Dust cup and header assembly. %100% suction power inspection. %100% surface cleaning and labeling. A whole assembly line. Stick assembly. Handle assembly. 100% surface inspection and spotless guarantee. Customized suction head. Handheld stick parts packed in PE bags. Vacuum cleaner bodies packed in PE bags. Packaging materials and semi-finished parts warehousing. Packaging production line. Contact us now to get a discount.